Welcome to LV Sightlight. This is a brief introduction to our product and its many benefits over conventional 110 volt bulkhead lighting. The advantages of the LV Sightlight are: the size is 25 cm tall and 6 cm in diameter, making it easy to store in vehicles. The LV Sightlight comes ready to install, which eliminates the need for assembly. The LV Sightlight also uses a fraction of the power of conventional 110 volt fittings. Accessories for the LV Sightlight are far cheaper in terms of power supplies and cable. Each LED has a 100,000 hour lifespan, eliminating the need for changing light bulbs. All of the LV Sightlights come in dual or triple colour, which means you can change colour directly on the PCB, which eliminates the need for changing lenses. The LV Sightlight is in a 3mm thick polycarbonate tube, making it virtually unbreakable. There are grooves inserted on the rear or on the sides for attachment to scaffolding, hoarding, bulk timbers, walls or Harris fencing. All LV Sightlights are low voltage, so there's no need for qualified electricians to install them. You can install them yourself or just get a competent person to install them. We're now going to compare the LV Sightlight with conventional 110 volt bulkhead fittings. Right, for all the previous companies that I've worked for, we've had to string these up in sets of 4 back at the unit before we go to site. So on average, I would say it costs about £5 per light in assembly. What you would have to do is, that's how you'd receive the bulkhead. You'd have to drill a hole top and bottom, insert your cable glands, unscrew the 4 screws on the actual bulkhead fitting, use connector blocks inside to connect your cable into here, then into the light fitting, then insert your light bulb, go in and out of the cables, then connect at either end. You get a male or a female 110 volt connector. If you need to change the colour, you need to change the lens as well. You've got expensive 1.5 Arctic cable and a big chunky 3.3 kVA transformer. With the LV Sightlight, it comes ready to install. So all you've got is the main housing, the circuit board and the holder. So all you would do is use cheap 4-quart alarm cable, go in and out. You can change colour via the jumper link instead of having to change a lens. The size of it compared to these, you could fit far more in your vehicle, a lot easier and tidier. That is a 12 volt transformer compared to the 110 volt. That's a 24 volt transformer compared to the 110 volt. And to make life even easier, you can just use the battery operated LV Sightlight, which you don't need any cable at all. Just literally turn up to site, move a jumper link across to the selected colour you require. For this case, I've just put it on flashing amber. Put the lid back on, and then just away you go. Attach it to the scaffolding or hoarding. The advantages are not only economical, they're a lot more eco-friendly and a lot easier to use. So in future, I hope you choose the LV Sightlight. Thank you.